And so this is exactly how to get free traffic for your Shopify dropshipper store. Hey, what's going on guys? I'm back with another video. You guys read the title correctly, right? How to literally get free traffic to get sales on your Shopify store. Now, I'm just going to show you the step-by-step process, literally show you the resources so that you can go out there and, instead of paying for micro personal brand influencers, I'm going to share with you and show you how to get people that have an audience that can literally promote your product completely for free. All right, so let me show you some proof and then let's actually get into the actual video.
All right, what's good people? I'm just going to quickly show you today's results. You can see here we're about 2,000 decent results. Again, currently it's about what 6:54, 7 o'clock here in the UK. See that, and you can see how many visitors we had, about what 599 so far at the moment.
Alright guys, let's go head over to the laptop and go through this with you right now.
Alright, so step one is to post into Facebook groups, alright? So you don't want to go in there like many people do and just start posting your product for sale, okay? You want to basically, first thing is join a bunch of different Facebook groups. So for example, I'm going to give you an example right now. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. You go into, say for example, the baby. You put baby in a Facebook search bar and then you join Facebook groups regarding that community, alright? So you want to build a relationship with the people there and also build a relationship with the administrator of that group. I'm going to show you in a minute. Basically, you want to provide them value, so tips, tricks, whatever it is, alright? So in order to do that, you can go to like big blogs out there and go to basically the blogs, the actual content of them, and basically you can rewrite these in your own words or just copy and paste it into these Facebook groups and just like link it back to the original owner of an actual of that blog, alright? You don't want to copy and just say, oh, this is mine, right? Don't promote your product directly, like I said, right? You will get banned. If you literally just promote your product, you'll get banned, right? The whole thing is for you to gather email addresses, to gather people that are interested in your product. Now, you can do a huge giveaways, right? So basically, you can say, hey, look, I've got this product. Here's how unique it is, completely free. You just got to join this email list. You can use MailChimp. You could use GetResponse or any of these other platforms, right? So basically, get people in the email list so that you can remarket to them, alright? Create a coupon code with the name of the group. So I'm going to show you an example to offer them a discount. So again, whatever that group name, you can literally go to the administrator and say, hey, look, I've got this product and I want to promote it to your product. You promote the product to your audience for free, alright? So it's going to be for free giveaway. But maybe you could do also a commission with that owner, right? So what you're going to do is go over to the old Facebook group, right? Then you're just going to put in a keyword. So in this example, I'm just going to put baby. I've joined several of these groups already. I'm part of this community because it's one of the niches that we're in. So you can see baby and mum's stuff's fine, right? So you can actually click into it and then basically you'll be sent over here, right? So essentially all you want to do is click onto members right here. Alright, so once you're actually here, you click into members. So I'm just going to show you real quick again. So this is where you end up once you click onto the actual group, okay? And if I scroll up here, so you can see, you can even say, hey, look, for me to, if I can promote my product to your audience, I will create you a Facebook banner. You can literally go over to, one of the freelance sites and get it $5, $10, $15. And that's free advertising as well, right? Just to give you an idea, like you can do things for other people that can help them and provide them value, right? It's just providing value, right? So look, there's an admin right there. You can actually reach out to this person. You can literally message this person and start talking to them. Step 2 is Instagram hashtags. So essentially you want to be posting on Instagram, right? Using relevant hashtags regarding your industry, regarding your niche. So I'm going to show you an example, right? Basically you want to get exposure, okay? So in order to find these relevant hashtags and what you can actually do with them, you go over to, basically there's several different sites. I'm going to show you this one here. Hashtags for likes, there's others out there. So basically scroll down, okay, keep scrolling. And then obviously, say for example, you're on a fishing niche, fitness niche, fish. And then you just choose any of these, right? Say for example, you've got running product, click copy, etc., right? You got food, so let's just say it's food. Alright, so what happens is you don't want to, say for example this is your profile, right? you don't want to for example create a caption. So let's just say this one here. You don't want to go into like what she's doing now. She wants to basically see these hashtags. They should be after. So she'll do her, you know, her comment in here, right? Her little description of the post. Then you want to then she's want to create another comment, and then she's just gonna literally add the hashtag in like that. All right. Obviously, if I click enter, that's my profile. All right, right there. See. All right. Step 3. You want to basically use Instagram. You just to DM people who follows your page. All right, so basically just offer them a coupon to say, hey, look, I've got this product, it's normally XYZ, now I'm doing a 50% off. If you're interested, here's the code. All right, here's the coupon code. So some people will be interested, but the majority of people will not, which is absolutely fine. You just want to get those few initial sales, so then you can go back and invest in actual micro personal brand influencers with a bit of capital. All right. Step 4, Instagram affiliate program. All right, so basically you want to create an affiliate program for your store using basically there's several different apps, but you could go over to this one here, and it's currently free for the first 5 days. There's others out there as well, but I just chose this one here. Affiliate by AA e-commerce. Again, it just helps you to launch an affiliate program, unique and custom URL for your affiliates, so that's your influencers, right? So for example here, find a bunch of micro influencers. So you know, let's say I advise 10 to 50 because you know they will more likely work with you. Okay, basically message them and asking them, hey, can just to promote your products, and once they get you a sell, basically you give them permission, right? So there's no risk to you, there's no risk to the influencer as well. We actually do this as well. Obviously, we do a lot of different marketing channels because we don't want to literally concentrate, we don't want to depend on one traffic source, right? So basically you want to make sure they sign up for your affiliate program, right? So for example, this person here, you can literally reach out to her and contact her and say, you know what, I've got this product, etc. Could we do a potential affiliate promotion where it's completely free for you? It's 50% you're going to get for the actual sale of the product. So I just did that as well. But what you could do is if you want to get her attention, there's several different ways. I'm going to show you just a quick way. I mean, you could just you can DM her and stuff, but what you want to do is find her email address, right? So go to this website, literally dig deep into finding her contact details, and either call them or message them, email them, whatnot. Okay, do what you can to get hold of these people. So basically what you do here, there's actually a bunch, right? There's just another tip for you. You click here, right? This little arrow down here, and there's a bunch of other different influencers that you could use, right? Similar to this one, they're suggested. Alright, step 5, YouTube influencers. Basically go onto YouTube and find some influencers in your niche with a decent amount of following. I'm going to show you an example. Alright, message them telling them that you're willing to literally send them samples of your products, and if they love it, and they share it with their audience. And then you want to get the product from Amazon, you don't want to get the product from AliExpress or DHK or any of that. If you are using USA suppliers, then don't worry about this step, but you can just basically use Amazon. Alright, so you guys are aware we don't use the old AliExpress anymore. Right? This is it's a controversial topic, but you can see here I just typed in dogs as an example, right? Or you could just put in dogs channel. So let me just put in popular, let me see, popular dogs channel. Okay, 2.4, that's just craziness. Look, in India, and then just reach out to these people. Right, it's pretty straight to the point. It doesn't take long to get hold of these people. You just gotta be persistent, and that is the only issue with free traffic, is that you have to be persistent. Right, it's not where it's direct response marketing. It's more of I'm just looking at here, dog, relax my dog. Just contact these people. Look, shares let's click this one. Obviously, Vlaxi music for dogs. Again, it's that industry, it's a niche, right? So you can basically find out. So she got 35 comments on 20,000 views, which is not that great engagement. To be honest, you just want to get your feet wet, so start contacting these people, okay? Alright, so here's basically a template that you can just quickly follow, okay? So you want to reach out to either Instagram, emails, or whatnot, however you want to get hold of these people, and basically say, look, very simple, okay? You want to put either dear or say hey. I advise hey, but you can put dear to be more polite. But my name is your name, which is again Pepe, not Pepper. I don't know why it says that, but I love your vibe, and especially the post that you posted on XYZ. Be very specific, okay? Because you don't want to create this as generic marketing email, okay? This is one-on-one prospecting. This is gonna help you to close a higher rate than the other methods. All right, so we recently launched whatever the product is, and these products are special for whatever reasons are, you know, the benefit. I'd love to send you a free sample of our products. If you love it as much as we do, possibly you could share it with your audience. Please let us know if you'd like more information. You can contact me directly on XYZ. So your number, email, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, right? Kind regards, your name. And then put the CEO of your company, because you are the CEO. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give it a like, leave a little comment below with whatever suggestions you have next or whatever you need help with. I'm always answering down below. People definitely engaging down below, so definitely other people can help as well. Yeah, join all the free course down below. Check out all the links in the description. There's a lot of free goodies for you. Check it all out, get value. And all that good stuff. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Keep grinding, alright? Take care.